Today I am going to show you how to make 3D text in Photoshop. To do that, you will need extended version of Photoshop, which has a 3D option. I use Photoshop CS6 extended version. If you don't have it, you won't be able to make 3D text. So, let's get started. Make a new layer. And set the resolution to 1280 pixels to 720 pixels. Select the text tool. And type whatever you want. I type gamer. You can change the text color as you want. Click OK. Press Ctrl and A to all select. And click here and here to place the text in the middle. And then deselect. Click on the text layer, and you will find new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Click on it. Right-click on the background layer and click on Postcard. Double-click on the dark places on the text and change the color and make it more lighter than before. Press Ctrl and select the background layer and press Ctrl E. And then go to 3D and click the render. And now wait for the render to complete. It will take a while. Make it 3D. Don't click anywhere after you press that render option, and now wait. After a while the render will complete. And now you can see 3D text. Now click on the background layer and click on Rasterize 3D. Click on Hue Saturation and scale up the saturation to make it more brighter. You can also scale up the contrast a bit more. And here the 3D is done. Help our channel to grow more. So, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. If you have any question or request, You can comment below. I'll try to answer. Again, subscribe to our channel.